Alright, you guys are watching Network 126. Today on Cooking with Network 126, we're going to be making some authentic huevos con chorizo. Look at that, doesn't that look good? That's authentic stuff right there. You ain't going to get that in the US. Alright, so now we're going to be throwing this in over here, get the cooking started. We need a cuchara, that's a spoon for those of you guys who don't know Spanish.
That one, use the plastic, huh?
This isn't like Martha Stewart, like I don't have like everything all like prepared like under here, like oh wow, it's already cooked, it's already done, look how pretty it is. No. We don't have no TV magic here. This is all authentic, real stuff right here.
You want that one?
So we're just gonna let that sit there for a little bit, kind of heat up, and it's gonna start smelling real good. Record a little clip. Doesn't that look good? Don't you guys wish you could smell that? You guys here, smell it. Smell that. It smells good, huh? Give me a thumbs up for that. This is good stuff right here. This is not like the consistency, like, because I bought this kind of stuff, the chorizo, at places like Cardenas, any Mexican grocery store you go to. When you put it into the frying pan and you start getting it heated up, it like basically like starts like to liquefy. It turns into like a puddle with like chunks in it sometimes, like some of the cheaper ones. And then there's some better ones that don't do it as much, but as you can see, this doesn't liquefy. It's still solid. Alright, so this is about ready here. We're gonna add the huevos. We don't call them eggs out here, we call them huevos. This is in California. So, do about maybe 4 or 5 eggs here. Mix them up. And it's going to be really, really good and tasty. Once again, I wish I could share with you guys through the screen, but due to technical limitations, you guys can't actually taste the food through the screen. So until we have that kind of technology here on Network 126, then you will be able to taste what I'm cooking here. And some of you guys are probably wondering why I'm doing a cooking show on my channel. Just because I want to. Just let me have my fun, okay? That's Primo Trino behind the camera there. He's the cameraman. Give him a thumbs up. Let's scramble this up in here. It doesn't look the same when we cook the chorizo out there, because it'd be all like, well, maybe I'll have to do a separate video on that, but, well, I don't know about that, because, yeah, the lack of space and privacy issue. It's been a while since I've actually, like, cooked something like this, because, yeah, when you live in a kitchen, you tend to kind of, like, not want to spend any more time in there than need to. Always eat out when I'm out there. Just kind of trying to get it mixed in there. That's it for a minute. Just kind of give it a chance to cook. Alright, well, it's just about done here. We'll need maybe a plate or two in a minute here. Look at that.
You get closer.
Get a good close-up shot of that. Okay. Oh man, this smells so good. I miss this. I haven't had this in years. Look at that. Well, that about concludes this episode of Cooking on Network 126. Cooking with or cooking on? I should really come up with a better title for a show if I'm going to do a cooking show. But anyways, give me a thumbs up if you like the huevos con chorizo, and let me know what you guys think about that below, down there in the comments section.
Se me entume el dedo. Y con el frío, porque sí me alcanzó a agarrar como, sí me profundo,
ya
pues.
está el viejito.